My name is Seth Moyer. I'm a representative of the Nebraska Baseball Academy here in Lincoln, Nebraska. I'm here with regards to the request of $366,816 necessary for the construction of a baseball field for the Nebraska Baseball Academy. The Nebraska Baseball Academy is a youth baseball program ages 9 through 16, and we aim to provide children and teens with the opportunity to play baseball at a higher level and to improve both their athletic and teamwork skills. With the highest enrollment Nebraska Baseball Academy has ever seen, the need for field space is imperative. The addition of another baseball field would provide an opportunity for the Nebraska Baseball Academy to expand, and this expansion is ultimately why the Nebraska Baseball Academy is requesting a grant of $366,816 to construct a baseball field. The goals of this is to provide a baseball field for the Nebraska Baseball Academy and the surrounding community, as well as encourage the youth to play baseball. The implications of this: reduce youth-related injuries, improve youth activity levels, and encourage community involvement. I first would like to take out reduce youth-related injuries. I know a hot topic in sports, especially youth sports, is youth or sport-related injuries. And a study done by Dennis and Caroline Kane and Nicola Muffalai suggests that baseball is a solution to this issue. Over 1,000 events, baseball showed only 2.8 injuries recorded over these 1,000 games, which is less than football, wrestling, and basketball and soccer. Nebraska Baseball Academy thinks that if more youth were to play baseball, then these values for football, wrestling, basketball, and soccer would decrease, and baseball would stay at 2.8 or less due to the low contact sport of baseball. I now would like to take a look at the implications of improving youth activity levels. As we all know, activity level is well correlated with overall health to the human body. And according to Dr. Jan Zakowski in 2016 of Radio MD, playing baseball has a number of positive effects for children and teens, both mentally and physically. Some of these effects include improvement of strength and conditioning, cardiovascular benefits, and social benefits. According to Livestrong.com, kids who are active in school sports are fitter, have healthier body weights, are more confident. The risk of blood pressure, heart disease, osteoporosis, and other chronic diseases is lower among physically active people, which makes it all the more important for children to appreciate the importance of physical activity at a young age. This would also increase youth activity levels of baseball field because they would have a more opportunity to play because they have access to a field. This is important in their correlation to their health, leading to healthier youth in the community. I finally would like to take a look at the encouragement of community involvement. Baseball and sports alike facilitate teamwork, integrity, sport responsibility, sportsmanship, and work ethic. And these are all very important values and ethics to have in the community. And these lead to productive members of society. If they have teamwork, they know how to work together with individuals that they may not necessarily get along with, and they can still be productive. Integrity: they follow their word, they take care of their responsibilities, such as showing up to practice. They show sportsmanship, they're good losers, they know how to win and they know how to lose, and they have a good work ethic, so they do the things that they need to do to get better, and that can carry on to the real world. The importance of constructing a baseball field for the Nebraska Baseball Academy and the surrounding community is reducing youth-related injuries, improving youth activity, and increase community involvement, resulting in fewer injuries, healthy lifestyle habits, more community involvement, and investing in the future citizens of Nebraska.